Hey everyone, welcome to Broke Film School Extra Credit. Now in this extra credit episode, I'd like to teach you the different looks you get when using various focal lengths. So let's get right into it. Recently, the SUNY Orange New Media Department got a full set of Rokinon Cine Lenses. Now these Rokinon Cine Primes, in my opinion, are the best indie lenses on the market, but enough free shilling, let's find out what the difference is between all 6 of these lenses. For this experiment, I'm going to be shooting on the Canon C100 with the Rokinon 16mm, the 24mm, the 35mm, 50mm, 85mm, and lastly the 135mm, all at f2.8. Now obviously the 16mm is going to be much wider than the 135mm, but for goofs and gaffs, how about we see exactly what that looks like. Alright, now that we have that out of the way, let's look at the aesthetic changes to the image as we use various focal lengths. So I had my model Kevin sit in one place as I shot him, moving the tripod back as we went up in focal length to match the framing. So let's see what we found. Now let's look at the extremes. As you can see, the background is significantly more compressed in the 135mm shot, making my subject seem much more isolated than the 16mm. What do I mean by compressed? Well, if you look at the 16mm, you can see the entire back of the graduation stage and Morrison Hall, whereas the 135mm only shows the back of the graduation stage. Pretty interesting, right? Yeah, I'm a camera nerd. Anyways though, I'd like to thank Kevin, Ari, and Dustin for helping me produce this episode. If you'd like to keep updated with everything they're doing, their social media is going to be down below. If you'd like to keep updated with everything Broke Film School, you can follow us at Broke Film School on Instagram to suggest new topics. Anyways, I'd like to thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.